Dot torture tests. I found this online, downloaded it, and printed out for free. All it is basically, right here it says 5 shots slow fire. Let's see if I can get that in there for you. There we go. 5 shot slow fire. Number 2, draw 1 shot 5 times. And it tells you little instructions here throughout the whole process. And by the time you're done with it, you would have shot, from my understanding, 50 rounds because, score / out of 50. There's no time on this one, so it's at your own pace. This is my very first time doing a dot drill with the pistol. Learn to go with these instructions here and do the best I can. Alright, for this little shoot I'll be using Freedom Munitions. It's 115 grain hollow point remanufactured rounds. It says remanufactured, but the rounds look pretty darn good for remanufactured. They have their head stamp there, FM Freedom Munitions, and the round looks pretty nice. It's shiny and everything, and the hollow point looks like an Allen key can fit in there. So it's been performing pretty well for me. I'll be using my standard Glock 19 Generation 4. Nothing's changed on it except for the iron sights. They're Glock factory steel tritiums, and the Streamlight TLR1. Let me retry this again. That's what the second sheet was for. Alright, I recall dot number 1 was 5 shots. Ready, 5 shots. Next one is dot number 2, draw 1 shot 5 times. Number 3 and number 4. Draw 1 on 3, 1 on 4. 4 times for a total of 8 rounds. Yeah, that hit way low, that first one. Number 5, draw 5 shots with strong hand only. Number 6 and number 7, draw 2 on 6, 2 on 7. 4 times for a total of 16 rounds. 1 in the chamber, 1 15-round magazine. Number 8 from the ready. 5 shots, weekend only. Way low. Number 9, number 10. Draw 1 on 9, 1 on 10, 3 times. One still in the chamber. I tallied up both targets, my first attempt and my second attempt. This one I counted as 11 misses. 2 misses there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one I didn't count because it cut the black line. The black line is missing. But this one I can still see some black line right above it. I can still see a part of the black line there. So this one I'm just estimating here, so I just count it as a miss. It is what it is. 39 out of 50. My first attempt, very first attempt with a pistol dot drill, dot torture test. My second attempt, a little bit better, 45 out of 50. 1, 2, I still see some of the black line there. 3, I still see some of the black line there, didn't bust it. 4, definitely. And 5, this one here, I couldn't really tell, but I still counted as a miss there. So 39 and 45. I like it. I like the drill. It forces me to take my time and squeeze off that trigger and follow through and all the fundamentals. Something new to me with a pistol, but I plan to continue shooting this dot torture piece of paper target. But this is my first and second attempt. That's all.